child of the wild, wrestling with danger, right into the arms of the night. Fear ain't gonna save you, so run for your life. Let the moment take you right into the arms of the light. When thunder rolls, the winds will blow, and through the storm I ride alone. Walls can't contain me, nothing can chain me, unbreakable. No tears will I cry from my animal eyes, unbreakable.
The design tour has been amazing. I think this is the best thing that has ever happened in my life, and I just want to thank Parul University for this design tour.
So my experience in this design tour was amazing. I got a lot of things to learn from a lot of people. Things like focusing on our clients' behavior, what they need, what they want, differentiating between those two. Everything had played a very important role for me, and I had a lot to take away from this tour.